Hi friends, welcome to the Velocity tutorial. In this video, I'm going to tell how to create PDF using PDF action. In Velocity, we can able to create the PDF using PDF action. And the prerequisites for this is we need to have Adobe Acrobat license and also a fillable form. Adobe Acrobat license is used to edit the PDF according to our requirement. And also the PDF specific requirements are like PDF should be linearized and the PDF version should be above 1.5 above 1.5 version. PDF should be linearized. This means the user linear PDF is nothing but the user can able to enter the data, like user can able to enter the data into the PDF. Now version should be above 1.5 so that the velocity can handle the PDF, that is it can fill the PDF and it will give the output as a PDF. Yes. Now document object in velocity, I think most of the people they document object. Document object is nothing but which will store the files in the document object, and also the user who has edit permission to the document object can only upload the upload the files or create the folder in the document object. And the maximum size of the file we can upload is 5 MB. Yes. Now specific to the PDF action requirement is like it should have one document object record and also data wrapper, which is transform data wrapper. And if you're not aware of the data wrapper, like transform data wrapper, you can go through my video. I have explained there what is transform data wrapper and how to configure the data wrapper for the PDF action. These are the steps we are going to perform in this session. Now PDF action. PDF action is present inside the OmniScript. We need to configure according to our requirement. I'll show these steps in this video. Yes. Now disadvantages of PDF action. PDF action will PDF action will take too long to create the PDF, and also each and every PDF mappings we need to do in data wrapper. PDF action is available only in OmniScript, not in integration procedure. Since it is not present in integration procedure, it is not able to run in asynchronous mode. And also let's visit org and create the PDF now. Yes, firstly we need to have PDF to create the PDF. I have already created the PDF for you. Here this is my PDF, and if you want to see, you can see here in the document object, in the folder I have created my folder, and inside that folder I have uploaded this PDF. And this document object you can find here, like if you click on this plus icon on the tab panel, if you navigate below, you will be having this documents object. See, this is a documents object. You can go here, and if you open the if you create the folder from here, then a folder will be created. Inside this you need to upload your document. Like if you click on new, it will ask name and all, folder, in which folder you want to save. Like that it will ask. You can upload your document, and you can save it. Since I have already created it, so I'm not saving it again, just I'm showing you. Like if I view this PDF, it will be like this. My PDF is like this. It has one page which has first name, date of birth, gender and interest. It is like cricket or reading books, whatever the interest, it will be checked here. Now how to use this PDF inside the PDF action. Now go to the OmniScript. I have already created an OmniScript here. Now I'll use PDF action. I will drag and drop into the canvas. Here whatever the name, I won't change any. I will not concentrate on the names now right now. Only I'll be using this about PDF action. Now this is document. This is document in the sense whatever the files we have uploaded in the document object, that will be reflect here inside in this drop down. See, I have only one file, so demo underscore PDF is a my document I want to select. If you upload any other file, it will be coming with that name with what name? This is the name, this is name. The name which we are seeing is like API name. As you are aware, like in Salesforce, API name will be with underscores. And also height and text, date format, time format, attachment name is, suppose my PDF output, my output PDF should be like test PDF. I want to give name test PDF, then this will be saved with the name of test PDF. And attachment ID, suppose if I want this PDF to be attached to this contact, suppose if I want to attach to the contact, I'm opening one of the contacts. If I want to attach this PDF to attach in this contact, then I will be giving this second. I will be giving this contact, whatever the ID we will give here, attachment parent ID. This PDF will be stored at that particular record. If I pass contact, it will give contact, it will attach to the contact ID, or it might be any object. And show pop-up, show pop-up is nothing but whenever you click on this checkbox, it will be the PDF will be shown as a pop-up. If you want to show the PDF then and there, then this will be checked, otherwise not required. Read only, this read only indicates whenever the PDF got generated, after that the PDF should be read only, means you want like it should be read only PDF, then you can click this. This is user message, as every action this also have a user message. And send transform, this is an important, this is a core part of the PDF. Here we need to create data wrapper which I mentioned in the slides. If I click here, I'll give name as PDF mappings. Here a transform data wrapper will be created. Let me create one contact so that here the attachment will be coming. Okay. Here I will be placing this ID attached, so that this PDF will be attached to the particular contact. If you observe here, there is no files here. Now yes, now this is a data wrapper I have created. Now the creation of this data wrapper is like slightly different. If you click on here, let's edit this. Input is JSON, output will be the PDF. As I have created from there, it is already mapped, output type is mapped as PDF. It might be anything here. And also target output PDF, this means it is asking like for what PDF this data wrapper is for. So I'm mentioning here this is the PDF you need to consider. Okay, this is a target output PDF. This is the important one. Without this we cannot map the PDF. If you click on OK, then now we need to map. Suppose here first name should become date of birth and gender, and interest should come. For this I need to map each and every field. Suppose I want to map first name. The PDF output should be, if I click here, it will show suggestion, because I have already written the tags here. It is already written the tags, first name, date of birth, last name. These tags you can set it from Adobe Acrobat. You need to have Adobe Acrobat to know the what is the tag here. First name, just I am passing the default output as test first name. Now also I want to pass date of birth. Date of birth should be 01/11/1997. Now again I need to pass gender. click on plus symbol, then you can see this one. So mail, I want to pass interest as well as a cricket. Here interest is a checkbox, since if you select this cricket and click default value true, then this will be coming as checked. Now I have all the values I have created given inside the default values. Now let's see how this should run and how it will create. See, now I have given all the data, and also the main important thing is data wrapper is also mapped. Now let's preview this so that we can understand what is happening while creating the data wrapper, the PDF. This will be created as I have clicked on show pop-up, then this will be coming as a pop-up, and also it will attach to the contact. Let's wait for it loading. This is a PDF, and how to check this PDF is like having a prerequisite conditions like that. Then we need to open this PDF. This is a PDF I have downloaded. Then open with Adobe Acrobat DC. Then this will be opening in the Adobe Acrobat. Here we are going to see properties. If you see the version above 1.5, this should be above 1.5. Then this will be supported to Vlocity. And if you want to see the tags, if you hover this fillable linearized PDF, if you hover this field, you will be seeing first name. These are the tags behind the PDF. This is a male, gender male. If you pass this male only, it will check. This is cricket. This is cricket. So if you pass this cricket tag true only, then this will be checked. Like this, we need to verify how the PDF will be. Now let's see the output. Yes, if the action has started, the disadvantage for this PDF is it will take almost 20 seconds to create the PDF. Here it will come as a attachment. See, the PDF pre-transform is happened. Pre-transform is nothing but a data wrapper mappings. Here see, everything is coming. Cricket true, gender male, date of birth, first name, everything is going into the PDF. Now PDF will be created. As you can find, we need to map each and every field individually inside the data wrapper. See, it is came like a pop-up. That means next window. We have clicked show pop-up. That is the reason it came as a next window. Now, if you observe, we are able to edit these things. See, I can able to edit some text here. Okay, I can able to move this. I can able to like edit the PDF. Now I don't want to edit my PDF. Then I am going to click this one, read only. Then this will be read only. Now I don't want to come like a pop-up. I'm removing this. Then this will be read only PDF. Now if you observe this, let's check here. It should attach to this record with the name test PDF. I have given the name attachment name as test PDF, so that should be coming like attachment here. Here I have changed this one. See, as also we need, this is a disadvantage, like 20 seconds it will take to generate one PDF. Here also you can give a message like error, no, user message. You can give a user message here. If you click in progress, like that, you can modify this message anything, anyway. See, if you see this, okay, this is file, I guess. But this will be created as an attachment. Maybe we need to see in other object. We need to give other object. As PDF action will create the PDF inside the attachments. Or I'll go with all of attachments, all opportunities. Now I'll take one opportunity. This time I'll be using opportunity, because since it has notes and attachments, since this PDF will generate as an attachment, this will be working in the opportunity object. Now I'll be reviewing this one. I think you have understood why I have changed this object, because here it is notes and attachments. This PDF will generate as an attachment, so it should come here. Now let's see, the PDF action has started. Now this time this should be all our read-only fields. If you want to see here, you can see this PDF data is created here, and also if you want the PDF ID, you can see here like PDF element name column ID will be showing here. It is coming in progress. See, now ID is generated. Now this pop-up is not changed, since we have unchecked the pop-up and we have checked the read only. See, if we refresh this opportunities record, then that file should be attached to here. It should attach to opportunity record. See, it is attached, notes and attachment. Since it is a type of attachment, this is came as attachments in the opportunities. If we want to view this, this is a type. If we want to view this, we can view this. It should be similar to this, but data should be filled in this PDF. The disadvantage, as I mentioned, it will take too much time to load, to create the PDF. See, it is came as we cannot edit this field. See, this we cannot edit. Now checkboxes are also we cannot edit. Only this we can edit, because this is a limitation for radio buttons. There is a limitation, like we need to handle this read only from Adobe Acrobat side, not from the Salesforce side. We cannot handle from Vlocity side till now. Maybe in future they might give some fixes for this, but now we don't have any fixes. This is editable from Vlocity side. This should be make read only from Adobe Acrobat if we have license, Adobe Acrobat license. This is how we are going to fill the PDF using PDF action. Now if I go to the PDF and explain like this data wrapper steps, how to create the this one, it will be easy. See now, input type should be JSON, output shape should be PDF, target PDF should be whatever the existing PDF, and then we need to click on save. Here also, so in the configuring the PDF action, inside the domestic attachment optional, attachment parent ID, and also attachment name, attachment parent ID, pre-transform data reference is important, whatever I have told. And also here I want to mention, if you want to pass real-time data to this data reference, just you need to create here one step, just add step here, add step here, and in the inside the step place this first name, last name, first name, date of birth, gender, interest. You can place that everything in the inside this step, and just you can pass the JSON to the step, like step 1 colon gender, step 1 colon date of birth, step 1 colon and first name, whatever the names you will be giving, give that name, pass that name to the data record. So whatever the user enter here, that will be coming inside the PDF. This is like, consider this as a task and just perform. If you want PDF, I will be sending, please email me so that I will send through email. And this is how the PDF works. Please subscribe my channel. In future I'm going to explain a lot of new things. Thank you.